Hello friends, welcome to Clubcraft Area. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful basket. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle and a stitch marker. This basket looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this basket, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet, double crochet and slip stitch. So to do this basket I have used two colors. First we will do the base using the single crochet. Then we will do the body of the basket by following a certain pattern. So now let's see how to do this beautiful basket. Start with magic circle. Chain 1. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain and this is the magic circle. Next we are going to work inside this magic circle. We are going to do 6 single crochet. Inside the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 5 more single crochet inside this circle. Totally you should have 6 single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is what we say it as single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After doing 6 single crochet, it looks like this. Next you can pull this yarn to close this circle. It looks like this. So from this round onwards, we are going to work in rounds. We are not going to finish it using slip stitch. Instead, we are going to work in rounds. For next round, you are going to do 2 single crochet in each stitch. So the first stitch, you are going to do 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Place a stitch marker in this first single crochet. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Likewise, you will be doing 2 single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. At the end of this round, you will be having 12 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. Now we have completed the second round. You see there will be an increase of 6 stitches. So for next round, remove the stitch marker. You are going to do 1 single crochet in that stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2. Place the stitch marker in the first single crochet. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this round by doing 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So at the end of this round, you will be having 18 single crochet stitches. So there will be an increase of 6 more stitches in this round. After completing the third round, it looks like this. You are having 18 single crochet stitches. For next round, remove the stitch marker. Do 1 single crochet on that stitch. 1 single crochet on the next stitch. Place the stitch marker in the first single crochet. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. 1, 2. This is the pattern which you are going to follow for this round by doing 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So at the end of this round, you will be having 24 single crochet stitches. You have to follow this pattern till you reach this end. So again, there is an increase of 6 stitches. So by following the same pattern, you have to do till you get 54 single crochet stitches. Each round there will be an increase of 6 stitches. So next round you will be doing single crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches and in the next stitch you will do an increase. And that round you will have the total number of stitches will be 30 single crochet stitches. And the next round you will be doing single crochet in each stitch for 4 stitches and then an increase. So the total stitches in that round will be 36 stitches. And in the next round, you will be doing single crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches and then an increase. Increase is nothing but doing 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So in that round, we will be having 42 single crochet stitches. Likewise, we will be doing till you get 54 single crochet stitches. After completing them, it looks like this. You will be having 54 single crochet stitches. So next, you are going to finish this round by doing a slip stitch. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. Next you are going to change the color, place it on the hook, pull through. So this round you are going to work on the back loop. So if you see here, This is a chain, this is the front loop, and this is the back loop. So for this round, you will be working on all these back loops. You are going to do single crochet in the back loops. So insert the hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch on the back loops. We are not going to snip off this yarn. After doing single crochet in each stitch in the back loops, it looks like this. Next row, you are going to change the color. So we will finish this round using the other color. So we will finish it using a slip stitch in the back loop. Take the other color, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Next, do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. You are going to work in the back loops. You are going to do double crochet in each stitch for 4 stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook in the back loops, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it as double crochet. Likewise, you are going to do double crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook in the back loops, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. 2, 3, 4. Then chain 1, skip 1 stitch. Then do double crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches only in the back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this round by skip 1 stitch and do double crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches, chain 1. Skip 1 stitch and do double crochet in each stitch of 5 stitches, chain 1. Skip 1 stitch, do double crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches, chain 1 till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. Finish this round in this third chain using the other color. Next round, do chain 1, do single crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches only in the back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to do a double crochet in this chain 1 space. So if you see here, this is the back loop which we skipped this stitch. So we are going to take this back loop and do the double crochet. Next, do single crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches only in the back loop. Next, how we did here, the double crochet, same way you are going to do the double crochet here by taking the back loop. So it looks like this. This is the pattern which you are going to follow for this round by doing single crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches by taking the back loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you are going to do a double crochet in the skipped chain 1 by taking the back loop. So it looks like this. You have to follow them till you reach this end and finish it off using the other color. After doing them, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Do double crochet in the next stitch by taking the back loop. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch and do double crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches only in the back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch and do double crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches. So this is the pattern you have to follow for this round by doing skip 1 stitch, do double crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches, chain 1. Skip 1 stitch, do double crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches, chain 1. So at last when you come here, you have to do 3 double crochet stitches. Since we have done only 2 double crochet in the beginning here, we have to do 3 double crochet. It looks like this. Now we have reached the last part. So chain 1, skip 1 chain, and you have to do double crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Finish it off using a slip stitch in this third stitch by using the other cut. After doing them, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, do single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. So this is the chain 1 space. You are going to do double crochet by taking the back loops. Next, do single crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And in this chain 1 space, you have to do double crochet by taking the back loop of the skipped chain. So it looks like this. This is the pattern which you are going to follow for this round by doing single crochet in each stitch for 5 stitches and then double crochet in this skip chain by taking the back loops. So we are working only on the back loops. We have to follow this till you reach this end, and we have to change the color and continue this pattern till the required size of the basket you want. This is just a 2-row repeat pattern. 1 row will be the double crochet row and 1 row is the single crochet row, and doing double crochet in the skipped stitch. So you have to repeat 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 rows we have to repeat till the required size you want. After doing them till the required size, it looks like this. You can finish it off by doing a slip stitch by taking both the loops together, taking both the yarn together, yarn over, pull through both the loops, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Basket looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.